Back, Miss Lady.
Really?
What you got, Billy Billy?
Billy Dilly, Billy Dilly, that's Billy Dilly.
You gotta open them up.
All right.
Open your gifts.
Okay.
Okay. Pretty paper.
I woke her. She opened her eyes and said, "Hi, Santa."
Oh.
Oh, you're silly, Mom. You want to open it? You can open it.
You can open it.
No, I want you to open it.
Tear it up. Tear it open.
You can do it. Oh, it has ribbon around it.
So pretty. Huh?
Did y'all hear anything more
Here.
about?
Oh, there's your bow.
Yeah. Did you ever see anything about the empty boat being in the city?
Working on it.
Let's take this off.
Yeah.
Will it slide off?
Might as well.
Oops, there you go.
Sherelle.
Let's open the package, Mom. Ooh. Here, Mom. Open the side right here. Open
Where you
it.
gonna put it at?
Open it. Can you open it?
Yeah, we'll open it.
Yeah, right there on the side. Rip it open.
LJ. 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 Give me some chewing gum. Please. LJ, give me some chewing gum, please.
Open it, Mom.
Okay. So this wasn't doing too good.
Open
I
it.
was wanting them and then they didn't want them.
15 minutes already gone.
You're doing it. Open it. Wow, I see a box in there.
I guess it is. Yeah.
Open it the rest of the way.
I don't know why he was so ahead.
Finish opening it, Mom.
Here, I can get this up maybe.
Here.
There.
Turn it over. Rip it open. What is it?
It's a thing for the tree.
It's a thing for the tree. What? Let's see. Open it. Open the box.
You want to open it?
No, I want you to open it.
Oh, I'll open it. I just do it because I'm used to it. Here's the papers.
There's the papers.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You're counting the balls. Okay.
And the balls.
Yeah, here. Open. Yeah, open and see what's in there.
What's in here?
Wow, look at that.
A sweater.
You got her sweater, Mom.
She loves sweaters.
It's nice. Cool.
Cool.